Hey, what's going on? IML family. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. This is Starboi, and I just wanted to do a quick recap on our Usdcad sell limit that we had sent out earlier on in the week. It's finally hit our overall TP, and I just want to kind of do a full recap on this specific trade, just so you guys could learn a little bit off of it. So, if you guys remember, when it came down to this specific setup, USDCAD was moving aggressively up, and it started making these higher low points, right? Once we saw that the market started breaking these lows, what we did was simple. We knew that the trend was shifting, and there was multiple different confirmations. If you guys remember our higher time frame setup, if we go back to the higher time frame, we had these channels forming, right? I'm going to delete some of this stuff, but we had these channels forming. And then pretty much what happened was simple. The market came up and it hit the top of this channel. That was one of our confirmations off the weekly and the daily, right? We had this consolidation zone on the daily time frame that it finally broke. Off of the 4 hour, we pulled our off the one in the 4 hour. What we did was we pulled our Fibonacci from this high down to this low, and what it did is it gave us that golden ratio, that's 61.8, right? And then it hit that, and alongside that we had some sell divergence. Notice how this is higher than this, right? And this blue trend line is going downwards, but on the RSI this is much lower than this point. They don't line up. That's called divergence. So we had 4 or 5 confirmations telling us to sell this specific pair, right? And then finally, even on the 15-minute time frame, we had this little trend line right here. It hit once, twice, broke on the third one, came and retested, then it dropped, right? Our first take profit was 60 pips at 1.3550. Our entry was at 1.32150, and our overall TP was at 1.30940, which is now achieved 120 pips. This is a great little textbook setup. I see opportunity for this to continue to drop. So next week when we get in the market, we'll see what it's looking like. We'll see if we can find any pullbacks. We'll get in, we'll catch some more pips. This was my full recap of USDCAD on SwipeTrades. If you guys are watching this on YouTube and you aren't involved with SwipeTrades, go ahead and send me a message. I can show you how you can get these quality trade ideas and consistently learn and profit. So once again, guys, this is Starboi coming to you from SwipeTrades. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this trade. I hope you guys learned, maybe made some profits, and enjoy these videos. So again, once again, I appreciate you guys.